Are you ready to discover a taste sensation that's as good for you as it is delicious? Introducing clean kimchi. We've taken this ancient Korean superfood and crafted it with the purest ingredients so you get all the amazing benefits without any compromise. What makes clean kimchi so special? Well, besides being incredibly flavorful, it's a fantastic source of probiotics, supporting a happy and healthy gut. It's bursting with vitamins and antioxidants and aids in digestion. Clean kimchi is made with only the cleanest, highest quality ingredients, prepared in the spirit of biblically clean eating. No artificial colors, no preservatives, just pure, wholesome goodness in every bite. It's the perfect addition to any meal as a zesty side, a flavor-packed topping, or even the star of your next culinary creation. Ready to experience the delicious benefits of clean kimchi for yourself? Reach out to Sister Esther at 917-868-1443. Cash App Clean Kimchi.